KMO Online Television, its associates and affiliates may not be liable for views expressed on this show. Viewer discretion advised.
Do you want me to clean your anus?
I see.
Do you want me to come and start cleaning? Nkwalemu chidoli show. Why do you suffocate? Ne nze nkera kumusabira buli lunaku. Every day I curse him. Whenever I go to my village, I go to the mountain and I curse him. Me, I'm like a pig, I don't have a reverse gear. Tuti okunyiza muzeyi nedda munyize. I annoy him. If I had not annoyed him by refusing to work, you think I would be alive?
I see.
Yes. Mbamanye jokolya. Bwe bakuniyako bakolekomeo bongere bakuniyeko bakuwe second job y'amaziga. When the church yawe go, when they fight you go. Tubadamu bwe bakujoga genda balekera amaziga balekera obujozi bwabo ne bakuzamu second job base njita sempija virus
second job y'obujozi
watu waje nti sempija bamuga nti yeto obuyana nga sikitu kati ne bamukomyawo omwongeremu second job y'obujozi ne cannot work with you enchanche badiza lekawo enchanze nchirekawo I cannot please Museveni to be humiliated nambi bakomeza wose the following day motoka yamu appointment letter temusobola kubinja ogansi omusajja oyo ono lukyamuzi oyina ekibiina kya CP Conservative Party mayanja nkanji yakikulekera akali mu mpale yone kakulemo kuta ali mu luticha atasitanse edenkira atasitanse edakaya ebyani akyabirimu atasitanse ebyani akyabirimu oye akadiwa
ali mu luticha bebayingide front
ekyo kibiina kyabakita
onabawulira
Mitagalo confused
the front
Mitagalo
waliyo olukwago waliyo Uganda olukwago waliyo deputy
ante olukwago balowooza bwajja kweyambisa obwameeya bwe what Museveni is going to do is to lock them inside to lock the fools inside and people enjoy.
I see.
Museveni will lock the fools inside
kale okujja kwa Besigye baagala sente
era ekigendo bawemula Besigye kutandika kutambula
yenga Besigye
and Besigye does not have any claim mu mateeka bakiralo kasistan what does Besigye claim? He did not stand in the last presidential elections nti bamubbi
is not a
where chichi yali zagamba tinzize amuli yati batubba katuboyo Sheikh Museveni awagala kisoche is happening is in knife but stubborn ngamira Besigye the usual stubborn ngamira atomera butandalo bajje ne babalimba yangu kozi banonya bakutube mu second job y'amaziga abo eyenkali yabo ey'obujozi bwabo you get a second job of humiliation.
Olwaleero mbalamusa lukwakwayo nsobola okukwata programu eno ne Muzeeyi Tamale mirundi senior yenze kanka kapita natuddeyo ddo kubatuusaako ekitundu kyaffe kino ekirala ekya political dose byembalazeeko bye bitono ku programu empanvu kambeere nga nzijawo ate bino tugitandike butereevu gwabadde akaluubirizibwa okugula ekintu kyonna ng'okigula mu ggwanga Uganda njagala okutegeezaako nti ate kyaliba ekyangwa ennyo okugula ekintu mu China ng'oweeyambisizza kampuni ya Kasamitala bangi mabega mubadde mubuuza naye Kasamitala bintu ki byesinga okubaamu n'obukugu okusaabaza okuva e China ng'ekituleeta mu Uganda ku ssente ezisinga okubeereza wansi ate mu bwangu obusoboka ku mmeeri mu nnyonyi saako ne ku luguudo mbategeeza mmwe mwenna abasomi nti osobola okutumya computers ekika kya tablets, desktops, laptops abasaaluuni mweyune Kasamitala mutumye ebyuma by'omu saaluuni tulina bannaffe aba restaurant n'abaagala okutandikawo coffee shops ebyuma ebyo byonna Kasamitala esobola bikuguliza ku muwendo ogusembayo okuba ogwa wansi China n'ebikuleetera mwate abaagala CCTV cameras abaagala cameras ezikwata emikolo saako nammwe abaagala cameras ezikola ku TV n'ebirala Kasamitala egikuleetera nga teriko kamogo konna ku muwendo gw'otajja kusanga mu East Africa y'ebijja China abaagala waya ne cable amakampuni agadiringa mu kuwayaringa saako ne cables bannaffe aba stationary nga mwagala printers ne copiers Kasamitala kago ebikuguliza China. Tubalamusizza nnyo mwebale kutwagala mwebale kulaba mutabani wa Mole n'amatuvu mirundi Joseph Tamale mirundi senior Mzee je bale kosebo.
Kale.
Bitambula bitya.
Okay fe. Embeera twagimanyira. Yaka munana tuli waffe twekolera byaffe. Yes, we are used.
Esi yetambulira abantu baba balinda expert opinion ku nsonga eba kunenya kimu nti tolaba Museveni bwakola nsobi.
No, you see,
for you, Museveni never commits a mistake.
Everything must have a purpose. Decision making must be purposeful. Yes. Two, of many players, we have many political players. Why should I concentrate on one man? Because for you, everything is heaped on Museveni. We call it a surgical operation, or panacea. Once Museveni goes, everything will be solved. I cannot believe in that childish and primitive thinking. You have parliament, you have courts of law, you have an elaborate government structure, checks and balances.
But it looks like he overrides all those institutions for personal gain.
It's not true. For instance, and you see, I want to tickle people's minds. Nze njagala nnyo abantu mbategeeze. Tikakati Museveni appoints Kadaga Deputy Prime Minister and Minister for East African Affairs. On the surface, this would mean that Museveni considers East African Affairs and integration as a very important issue. Because when you take your credentials to a host president or prime minister, they look at your CV. I was once a deputy speaker, was a minister of parliamentary affairs, rose to deputy speaker, I became a speaker, deputy prime minister. You see, other countries, when they look at you, that's why people fight, advisor. When you go outside Uganda and they look at your passport, the thieves con people. But I was a chairman. This is why me, I don't value these things. I'm not a thief. In fact, the moment I introduced that Mutamale Mirundi is enough.
Of course.
Kati bola babo ne babajerega ne bamwana obwala disi ne bamwasmanya assistant yani ebweru bikola
boba mufere ebweru no bitwalayo bibayamba bikola
kati tuli mufere sina kyembyagala ku kyobola bamba kuba ne mbatera ku ttaka tinze siri mufere namanyira kwekolera kati nkugamba nti toyinza kugamba nti Kadaga mumuwadde amaanyi naye nga buli kimu kyonna kye yaleka akoze mukijjeewo
kituufu
kakati kitegeeza ti Kadaga whom you've sent to the East African Federation goes there as a discredited person, which means Parliament, the East African Parliament rotates. It sits there in all countries and they use parliamentary premises and the speaker must attend. Kati yenkubuuza, how will Kadaga look like? Which image shall he have when the East African Legislative Assembly meets in Uganda? When he arrests his name, I cannot please Museveni to be humiliated.
I see.
The following day, Matoka yammwe appointment letter temusobola kubinja ogansi. Yes, kakati what image is like saying when he invited to preside over a fundraising function nga Museveni yakutumya omukiikirire ne bakoma mu lupapula lwa New Vision tebagenda okutunda ebintu by'olw'amabanja. Baba kusse. But Ugandans don't value in Nigeria. Once a Nigerian gets an international job, sees fire.
I see.
Even a dog does not bite somebody who is getting out.
Yes.
Preventive.
I see.
Neno joka ngojokan. Ngabana bajokan. Nga parliament ejokan. Me.
Obabo be bakozesa obufe ebubye ebifonga kyaliwo. Ne batagwanira kuuma. It
is a contradiction. They want to embarrass Museveni. The Museveni how will Museveni now, when there is an East African summit, how will you say that the East African ministers are talking, Nekadaga Jali, ngomujemo enche badiza enche mungezeko zasabaleka sai myaka munana siriye wange toyinza kunjo gebe bibajoga mu abantu because they are primitive. These are primitive people.
I see.
Why do you approve her when you are going to embarrass her? What about you, mwe speaker and deputy we na bano ba member of parliament? If it happen and they for them they like Bitibwa very much. They like Bitibwa.
I see.
But if we want Bitibwa, also give others respect and Bitibwa.
I see.
Kakati ekyo kikutegeeza nti mu Uganda muri mu government biri. Museveni is being embarrassed.
Endala eriwa.
In fact, let me tell you, if we had the problem you have, to East Africa, when mufanagana. But if it is a European conference, they cannot allow you. Bakugana, to ina image. You want a fit to be a minister of East Africa. Yes. Every time kubinkola. Every time kubinkola. Every time sobala mfuna sente meka. Sente zinjoza zilimeka. Ninga nabana abajoka Kadaga nabo short term strategies. You don't know toyinza kugamba nti munadini if anti era Kadaga byabwere lwaki yali yakizimbira ku kino Kadaga would get an international job.
Yes.
Nebo bagere bagamba tuti okunyiza muzeyi nedda munyize. I annoy him. If I had not annoyed Museveni by refusing to work, you think I would be alive? But in Badobutwa.
I see.
Yes. Mbamanye jokolia. We bakuniyako bakole komeo. Bongereba kuniyeko. Bakuwe second job ya maziga. When they chase yawe go. When they fight you go. Tubadamu. Webakujoga genda balekera amaziga abo balekera obujozi bwabo neba kuzamu second job base njita sempija virus
second job yobujozi
watu wajitu nti sempija bamuga nti yeto obuyana nga sikitu kati ne bamukomyawo bamongeremu second job yobujozi me cannot work with you sisobola I cannot next time if they accused you of slaughtering ente z'amawako. You are in the defense. They will accuse you of selling bullets, of selling cows. No! In a group, Yavajosi, Vaziga, never yatuka kunze byagana. So Joka Gomosekomao. I will never work. I will never work in this government again. Anti-Bo, Bafunalonizi, Baba Jeriga, Bainaloni, Bajani Babarimba, Yango. Because one on Yabaku second job, Yamaziga, a Yankari Yabu, a Yobujosi. You get a second job of humiliation. Me, I cannot.
7 years is up Babali and Babali was Nabori de speech.
Kakati, that's one. Takati Chakada go chitegede.
Kadagabamu joke.
Kakati Kankoboli, a Chakaba Funza Chitemuri. And in fact, if I was not smart, I would have ended up like a Kabafunzachi. What you people don't know, these Asians who are here, the Chinese, because in their countries, they molest women the way they like. For instance, an Indian girls are killed because it's the side of the woman which brings wealth. Indian women ask them. Kakati when the Chinese come here, the Indians come here, the Malaysians, every police woman must be a virgin. Why not a man? Kakati bayina mentality eyo. Nze sinza kuti ya daughter wange ne mutwala mu company ya China. Ate bumanyi ganga bunafu. Buwayo $10 obusajja bunane bwebaka ku mukazi wa wano bunafu. Kakati accusations against that man of part of Africa. We are many. No, we are many. I fought for this hotel because they were saying these are Sudanese who don't have capital. Tebasajja bali kawempe batunda ngano. Abasajja bonemba lwanirira. 2, bali bajjawo egondi we bagizimba waliwo Ministry of Information. Kenya was given 6 billion to transfer it. Bakuba ebizimbe byonna ne babijjawo. Wana yagenda najjayo archive. Kakati nze nange story yonagifuna eyokumolestinga female workers. They are the Chinese, the Asians. That is common. Kakati nze bwenjifuna that man had traveled. Sent because I know that the people behind that hotel is guarded by special forces. A friend of mine from the special forces rang me that there is a rumor circulating that this man molested a girl, but he would like to see you on his return. When the man came back on his return, I refused to go there. He rang me personally, I refused to go there. Because I know them the way they trick. Kakati, this man, you remember, Bakafunzachi was Minister of Labor. And Labor, at that time, this is when the organic case and exporting a girls to extract their organs was rampant.
I see.
Yes.
And that was the time
when things
started raining everywhere.
Until we exploded.
I see.
Kakati omusajja kabafunzachi ekibiche yakola. When the girl went to him to plead with him, this man thought, because it was his first time to come to government, he thought that he was going to solve the matter amicably with the manager. After the manager could not accept to solve the matter amicably. Why? It would implicate him in the accusation.
I see.
Yatayinza nze mbamanyi kati yeche yakola kumutega sente. Yes. Yamutega sente nga kyayagala okutegeeza okutega sente nti whatever this girl has been saying was a connivance between the minister and the girl. Ono nakiyitako. Mwete mubamanyi ba mafia. I know these people. Nti bakutega sente nakale makwate. Kakati namwe abamawulire babakola. Yes, I knew. This man is fronted by powerful people. In fact, there was a man in the State House. He organized his wedding there. This man, the owner, the manager, gave him an offer to organize his wedding there. The man invited me because he was working in the State House. I refused to go there. I did not attend his wedding. And I normally don't attend weddings. 2 weeks later, after his wedding, he was sacked from State House. I told him wakoze bubi. Bali waliwo abali mu musajja oyo.
I see.
Oyo musajja duka is a landmine, is being fronted by powerful people in the State House.
I see.
Oyo kyekya Kabafunzachi thought that this man, because they don't know conmanship, nti ye Kabafunzachi yali alowooza ono omusajja ayina agency be abamanyi mu government. To the moment he accepts, he turns it around. Even if he were a journalist, when a journalist gets a scandal from a powerful person who has money, the other person rings the manager, the editor of the newspaper, and they deal with it, and you don't get anything. They can even sack you.
And the story does not make
does not come out, and they sack you.
The editorial.
Yes.
I see.
So I know these people. I know this how Conman operates in Uganda.
I see.
So for him, he rang me. I refused. He used somebody in the special forces, a person I knew. I refused to go to him. I knew this is how mafias operate. They turn the bribe one time. Tumweba they sent 600 million shillings to me through Nsubuga, this policeman, a former policeman. When Nsubuga brought the money at a place, he told me, let me ring Tumwebaze to tell him that we are together. I rang Tumwebaze. Then Tumwebaze said, why don't you come to National Theatre so that I know, I get the information confirm that we are the one who has taken the money. I told him so. I picked a hammer and I told him to run away. What Tumwebaze was saying, that when I go to National Theatre, I will find there planted people to arrest me, to say that all along I've been talking about the organic case and I've been implicating him in a number of scandals because I wanted money. Yeah, you know how these people operate.
I see.
Yes.
So Kabafunza, are you trying to say Kabafunza just was a victim?
Yes, yes. Kabafunza was a victim.
Yeah, but they say he asked for a bribe.
Anti Gambia, Bam recording and no recording. Was there no allegations of a girl alleging that she had been molested by the manager?
Of course.
How was the allegations handled? Let us assume.
We don't see any results.
Let us assume Kabafunza was bribing, was seeking a bribe. Was Kabafunza the father of the involved girl?
No.
When Kabafunza was arrested, was the matter of a girl's claims handled?
That should be the big question.
They are stupid. They are idiots.
I see.
One day, all of those questions are going to be revived, and you see these people going away, being put on Kabangali.
I see.
They wanted to embarrass this man who has not even enjoyed. This man has not enjoyed but one day. Bwali buno busajja babadde bumanyi nti mu myaka 8 nja kubamba kubye nga buli nyanyi kana kalina entwe n'obutwe akatunzi ke kama wolo g'abantu ne kaliga entwe yako ne kaliga entwe ne kaliga obutwe kakubire 8 years on the road. I've defeated them.
I see.
Yes. Kakati ebyo nabi ebyo cases nze nzimanyi nti why is Kaka hiding? They want it because these are preventive detentions. Any person who has evidence will be arrested.
Against them.
Everybody who has evidence against them, they will fabricate a case against him and arrest them. Kakati kwe kankuboli. Obo obwana obo, obo olugambo. Do you believe the influence Kalisa has with UCC? These people, those younger girls, wouldn't have been protected? That man, oyo musajja oyo muyimbi, I used to see him. Mulangira soon. I used to see him hosted by those girls.
Yes.
Yes.
Na no mulenza kebaita keys.
Bonna nga jayo.
Akato.
What I strongly suspect is that Kabusenga is starting a TV station. Because I always say that when a person becomes mad, follows mad, he does the things he used to do before when he was sane. Kabusenga knows that the current manager of New Vision is a weakling who has no experience in managing newspapers. This is why they poured a lot of praises on Kakande when he was retiring. I said, why didn't you accord the same platform to Kabusenga?
When he was leaving.
Yes. So Kabusenga is starting, he's hiding himself. In fact, that's why I laugh at them. A girl who came to me and manager, I think is Kabusenga's daughter. We have this. This is for me to work with Kabusenga. Me, that I have a program on NBS where I left. Me, I'm like a pig. I don't have a reverse gear. When I hate you forever.
You don't reverse.
They are unforgivable things. You malign me for 6 months in the pocket and the New Vision as a madman.
And then you work with
that one who die can work with the Kabusenga or Kurubia. Me, that one who die can go to government to have a meeting which is attended by these people, that I can attend a meeting with the Tumwebas, with the Nakalem, and Sweden. So this one, that's why I'm demanding compensation. I retired when I was young. They shortened my political career. Since I could have mukola nabo.
What was your destination in politics?
Kakati nkuboli, blood surgeon. The better they avoid me. Aye ndabo no mwana. Nti akwata sente nangoba wano nakwata kino nti wandu debusha talk. I can assure you I never talk to Lwabo with Lwaboko. On us. Except if I'm kidnapped. If they kidnap me to Lwaboko's office, then I can do. But I don't think that in life, kunsi, in the grave and in heaven, that we shall ever talk.
Seriously?
Yes. The Baganda have a saying. Enyumba emu tekulema kuwalana.
I see.
You can avoid do you have meals Muganda says ennyumba emu tekulema kuwalana mukayu mu toilet oliramu emmere but it's part of the house so for me I can because I know my anger that I can grab you even in a refoot
you make sure you avoid them.
Yes. For 5 years, for 8 years, I've not seen any of my tormentors physically. And I've smashed TV screens several times.
Let me ask you, did Mulangira Suna commit an offense by taking his boys to prison?
Chikutegeeza nti obwana obwo bwali bulaga wakabusenga. Kubanga buli ayagala okukola TV bola entertainment nti busooka ne bujja ne bukolera Kalisa yategeera nti obwo bwana bugenda muddukako kakati naye kye yabukolera n'abuteekako case. He did not intervene to mediate. This means they have no future with the NBS.
I see.
If Kalisa, with the influence he has, I know, UCC would not have intervened in the matter. When Kalisa was exploiting me, he used to talk to UCC. Kubanga yali I'm consolidating myself. I knew that the president was paying the money for that program. How Kalisa yongo asinikomanya utamanyi nti mumanyi. Ye Kalisa litamanyi. Neyenze it was a strategy to consolidate myself. Kakati nkugamba ti obwana obwo
bubadde bwinaje bulaga.
Yes.
Singate bwabadde nayo.
Kakati mu mateeka once you are given bail and you commit the same offense, then it means you will never get bail again.
I see.
Kakati obwe yabumaze yabukubye Kalisa tewali kati akyasobola butwala ku radio ye kubanga gospel is part of their chi yabumaze tebukyalina kaliya okujjako nga busoma birango by'abafu kati kyebuyina okukola yakubye kaliya yabwo when you are on bail when the court grants you bail and you commit the same offense when they take you back you will not get bail.
Kitegeeza ne TV ebadde geno kuwa omulimu
teina tekyasobola
ate bwe beetonda
nkugambye nti ye yabumaze kubanga olina okumanya nti abo bakozesa ligo kubanga baga nti abusing a computer is a serious offense. Why? Defamation or libel you had to prove. If we are using libel because libel is what he said on radio electronically, he would prove to court how did he suffer. Because when I heard his narration, I was watching, I think in Nation where this Kagala appears, who pretends to be a good Muslim, Nakazib.
On Nation TV.
And this man was saying that he was bewitched at one time. He did not do what? They asked him the same issues that these girls had raised were raised by. They asked, where do you get that money? He said, yes, why don't you ask others? So, this was done deliberately by denying these people. Because you see, when you see the growth of an entertainment industry, for us in the trade union, we train you to transfer your labor. Now the problem in Uganda is, the good advantage to experienced people, is that there is no radio station that wants to train. There is no TV station that wants to train. We poach like soccer stars. I told you that the sports club of Villa was supposed to have a club for younger people. The KCC had clubs, but now the problem is that's why the Uganda soccer is stunted. Tetuyinaawo liigi ereeta abantu. In fact n'emipiira gy'ebika temwali baddemu bano ba soccer stars ne bireeta abaki abato abatamanyiddwa scouts ne bajja ne bagamba nti naalitaddewo Kaguta Cup. If I was a minister of sports, I would start a Kaguta Cup ng'etandika gye nkigambe hamu kubanga hamu is involved in sports. Sponsoring Kaguta Cup. Kaguta Cup mugitandika mu January anti emaliriza akaguta kapu mwe muzanya. Museveni is popular. Nkubuulira Museveni is a very popular man here. I want to tell you Museveni is very popular, but the problem tiabamulyamu babe nti katumuvume atuwe sente ba Museveni operates like blood. Museveni gives money where it is needed. This is why a person can afford to confiscate the man. Mbu nja kuba mugagga ate zigenda kupopularinga muhozi. This is the nature of Museveni. Nti Museveni yali mpise nangamba twala sente zezo escorted by escorts yakolera no structures ono nazikwata for 3 weeks center as limit alowooza mwinjagene nedda ona kuboneteza bajja kuba balala nti jempa abawalala mulenzi gwe abana kuba bajja kuba balala namulabye eggulo mu meeting nga batudde the meeting tayiro hand over the man on Monday. Whether he hands over the man on Monday or not, that's not a me. The president knows I did not get the money. Kakati mwemba bulya nemba gamba nti obuwala buno bubadde buyina gye bulaga bubadde bulaga wakabushenga kubanga buli gurupu n'obuwala mwe buli obw'olugambo anti firidi yabo olugambo yonna yagimaze. Kakati gwe noga nti babizonto nti ate babizonto musajja amaze okuga nti ffe tuli babizonto we are insane. Where do you arrest them? Kakati somebody calls himself babizonto. Babizonto, they are insane. Because why nze nga media expert mbuuza nti lwaki abantu babeera ku entertainment. The entertainment industry booms in a country where the people are going through hard economic hardships.
I see.
Nga baagala okusekako landlord yakubanja kale laba kwebyo singa otunuli abaana abo bye bazanya nze kanze nsobola okulayivulinga nabo nze program ezange ndazizimbira ku serious stuff era abantu baziraba kati abantu basinga obungi lugambo entertainment because ne bonosoma budget teina kyegenda kola. Museveni bwanaga nti ababoda boda mujeyo boda boda zamwe encha bagenda kwatandala kakati kitegeeza society yo yes how come it is reflected nti abayimbi bameka bali mu parliament badokita bameka bali mu parliament baticha bameka bali mu parliament. It tells you society values abantu ba Uganda bajja mu bayigirizo obwesige njagala okubuulira singa omuntu yasibawo sente tikumazongoto kumazongoto ne Ameria nagenda okuwangula fena bantu tulirije kwani
kwa Ameria.
Yes ate Ameria tewa nti bamubbi no sanga nti omusajja professor doctor gundi doctor ono education yani miyingo abadde wa scholarship wa buli kimu kyonna naye omusajja atunda watermelon kalerwe yali driver we back. Yes baba bakugamba nabagezi bakoze eki
tebatuyambye
nabagezi batuyambye nabaga nti bakojja Kimbowa ekibayimirizaawo ba mama Fina kojja Kimbowa is more known than the chairman of the Doctors Association. Yes
ye bizibu bye
akwata kubyaba genda kuona wadome ono Dr. Sali professor beba savings abantu nti eddagala lyaliteeka mu medical naye nga ddagala lya herbs beba manyiddwa. Yes kati omuntu bali baawo ayunga era abantu bakugamba omwana wo wafunye oli agamba wamenyese kono ogenda mu ekyo ekintu kya kyemulago kisiiwa kibeeramu enkukunyi kibeeramu ensekere genda wabali baawo akuyunge. Yes, what does it mean? It means that society comes a time and passes a vote of no confidence in
the educated.
There are times when people value non-serious stuff.
I see.
Ndikati obwana bwambala ne bwambala obukuna mabuti ne baleka akachapati abasajja ne bafa no balaba kubanga abasajja batasoma bo bakwana TV bakwana ki abatasoma kati abasajja batasoma bwo bwala nga babukubulide yakatutte egindi yakatutte ne kamala weekend egindi ne kamala kakati obwo this is the level.
I see.
This is the level of society. Era wali sanze nga aba fashion babuwa engoye bwambale ngaba Nigeria kati zinaleta fashion yange musimanyi police ani nayambalira mmwe mwina sente mbweri mu New Vision yega 5 out of 10 ani abiteke mwala wawulira banjogera
fashion police
atasola na kwambala asini kabinyo ntimya do I mind about abasobola mbavuma nimba malawu owa New Vision ya somachi waliwo mwala yaberanga mu New Vision nga ajereka banne nenga bomutule mu face alinga envubu
kitufu
bamwitanganiyo yawandika ngebi kati simanyi mulimu Dr. Lab abiwandikide simanyi emyaka emeka mulimu simanyi mamani waliwo yo omukazi naye ali asente z'abantu simanyi kakati ate simanyi mamani omwana kati akuze mujjako najo biromu asuma kakati ngonteka mwabo me there is anybody New Vision anywhere in the media no sanga nti university nti recruiting bad black university neto ulira condemnation
muntu yenna
kati kitegeeza ti obwana entertainment industry je bulimu kakati ono ate munabwe agise no
singabu kwa attackinga
I don't take them seriously kubanga ekyo ki anti nkubuulira obwana bwina value bakubuuziza bwa entertainment gundi
seriously zilebogera
awulira twalina omuwala nga mulalu omuwala yali mulalu nga yeeyita mukasekatawa sekatawa yasambira omupiira nga bonna bamanyi nti mukasekatawa nga yeeyita mukasekatawa nga ne mukisawa ayingira bwerere wazimale tusekatawa no kana akabadde kangegenya ani yakagoba kaleeta entwe kali ne mubukete simanyi kali nagondi kano nyina wako ke yazala ku nkobe na kuba omukazi oluyi
yali ku BBS
akana kakufana ba simanyi abakako ba nomukubwe ba nomwongera olala nadduka nga bananga akana kamfa nkukota ko gusaka kupapa kakuduka ngano kino kikere kiri kumbata kino kivubuka kyembengo bakitana kino kizanya akanda lindole kale kire bukirege ntu yaki eringa egundi kino omuntu kulinga okwenjo ekisajja kikulu nikiriye mmeringa abantu balaba nikijjamu esati kati ekyo kimvu bwe kyankubako bwe kikwekwe mukanga mvudde kugundi oyo naye mubala mu amagezi bankuba ku CBS buli dakika 3 akasako kakulema we ended up nga katikiro walijo ni balonda mulondo nganzira kubikwekwe mukabye kikere kiri kumbata iki entertainment Museveni ona amugegenya amukola ki ne bwali mugegenya namulaga ngo omutamivu tujja mukuba nene kumbaga muleti nali kumbaga yes your excellency mute nagenda kola kakajja ntu yako I just left me I don't have any iota of entertainment but if there are those who want it ntidikula ne yesu banafuwa tiu nikakuba mungalo nikasula wose kubafu yineka kafu nikabera nikasama nikabera nga waliwo webibugo kati amayembe kagenda kuogera amayembe nikaberawo amayembe kagenda omukazi omulalu nastama nibijjaka bikeberayo kati if you have such a group in your society you can get money out of it what's the problem?
Yes bali bali severes njagala kubuza kugono umuhwezi
yes
bamulistinze nti yo mukuba kweka sente mu offshore accounts manya ine migabo mu company enene
yes muhwezi
nabyafuzi bano batusobedde
no muhwezi was in security
nyonyota batwala walala
muhwezi was in security such security people can use such connections to hide to investigate I cannot fight muhwezi unless I know that Mukwezi steals the money. Ne mu Kampala muli mu company president yajibwa etika matala ku ngudo. Ngayo kyeyagala kulangira ku matala ago. Sebagala yagabba nti gasola batubidde ku matalo kamalo kamasa. Kakati what happened? Kakati atende baleta kam naye akasajja kali mu kibugo mutambule n'enkoni. Akasajja kubana keta kuba bakajja wa kasajja n'obusuma bukabunya mu nyuma n'empale yako abali musire kanso bagane bakayitawo obusuma bwako bukafuluma mu nyuma mu nyini akasajja akakali mu Kampala kakati nga balete ekikampuni kyako
kakola ki
mbubagala bafunye sente nga ku sente ezo executive ya Kampala lukwago gyakulembera egenda kufuna ko 50 billion kakati mbwa balese eri company etukolera amatala kubwerere bajimme nebakutte mu meetings ezo nebawandikira ne minister wa Kampala I'm going to expose them neba ne ekisera kituse buli mu Kampala tutambule n'enkoni okulaba omusuma ng'akasajja kumukube endulu kale bakakube oba kalina ekikagenda okugula kadduke kadde mu motoka zaak'abasuma. Yes.
Abasuma tubategeere.
Anti kati ngabo meeting zaabwe 3 nga nzikuba wano nga tuzikuba nga abantu baziraba nga batudde nga tulio katukalondola bwe kafuluma kati mukalindira ku step hall bwe mukalinda kubitaala ne motoka yakuba mutikuba dududu ne kadduke kati kakola. Abasuma tulete enkoni tukole n'enkoni ku Muwino omukazi w'Omuwino bamuwadde ennaku 4 bwalemerawo enkoni yevuge abantu batwale enkoni. Si incitement.
Kashaba.
Was given 4 days to live.
Banamutwala.
Ayina bamukozesa afuna 5 million per day. Abazimbe ebizimbe by'abakola kyaba. Boyo ulabwa kwata padi bwazikuba abantu. Yes. Kakati ekyo yasubula ddi Muwino. Oyo omukazi bamuwa 5 million. Nga baziwa kasaako y'Owino. N'abagamba nti abasajja bazze wano ng'omu bamuyita Kyobe ne bagamba nti bavudde mu State House ne bagamba mbu be baagoba ssente ezo mbawaddeko 2. How can somebody take it to account mu Centenary? Naye ye tayogerwako naye bali mukwata alikwatibwa bali muyoola teri ajoze bantu wano atajja kukwata gwe kambabuuze mulwa kuba tembitegeera. Why should security fight Kaka? The security people have known there is a possibility of change of leadership.
I see.
So they are hiding all of the valuable evidence, incriminating them.
I see.
You will see murders. You will see elimination murders. You will see elimination detentions. Yes. Among security forces. Nti kakati oyo omusajja bamuse oyo akola ku cameras. Nti tebakwata kamera omwana yaleeta omutwe naguleeta mu parliament nze ebyuma byange bimulaga nga afuluma nga ava wali akulosinga fete tumulina we bakubira omwana wange tewaliiwo naye nga kamera baali bazigyewo kati abo ab'omu kamera betta kubanga waliwo valuable information yakwatibwa ku kamera emisango gitambula bo bagimanyi tekati Kaka agenda kuttisa abantu bangi kati gebyo ebya vaani tivani ya motoka yali intano job ababaka benyini be babirimu insurance esasule kati Kaka kwezo security walabye ko balamu yazemu okulabika balamu yali agenze kukwata Kaka aba omwana gwe basula ekisolo wali. So kakati if you see things falling apart the center cannot do what
balamu akolangani
bali bekweka bakandiko tobalabako kakati nabagambi nti obwavu obuli mu security organizations nga tebakyalina operation funds ono omwana Baby Wine yabakola akakodi aka ye yagamba nti akaluka kawedde nkoze ekibiina kyange kyababaka 6 ekinkubya tiyagasi kiki kaninde ate mu 2 mmeka
n'abaanika bwani
ye n'asirika n'abagamba Triple B yaddawe tiyagasi agaze agula tiyagasi takyalina sente kandiko tayina wa military intelligence owaiso tayina kati what they have done isujivu Besigye mana akomewo kati ate Besigye tasobola kikola lwansonga. By the time nabagamba nti I compared Besigye to a madman. When a madman enters a marketplace on a market day, a village day, wielding a pang, creating a stampede, forcing people to step with each other, injuring each other, and some death, what happens? Do you blame the market master for leaving the door open? No. Before the madman entered the market, although the gates were open, peace prevailed.
I see.
So, it is incumbent upon both the sellers and the buyers to apprehend the madman and subject him to celebrating.
I see.
Before Besigye launches his group, peace is prevailing.
I see.
Yes. How many? I think for 2 months we have not seen a single incident where Ugandans have been subjected to unnecessary good
mistreatment.
Nabagamba, we are not seeing a limping prisoner. We are not seeing this motoka zemwali mugamba bazitanize nzafe za taxi. Drone mukyabiraba. Kakati organization yo nka ebadde ina sente ifuna sente yaba nokubba boda nabo ogenda babe chente emitu ngenda kulaba utalo wa police naba boda Museveni yabagobeko babagenda police bazoche badukeko batafe ku boda z'abantu but what they are doing now is because nti tewali sente. The economy has contracted. Besigye is being brought by security forces.
I see.
To create avenues of giving out money. To create agenda kuddeyo bakube tear gas. Bamukube kubaka kati peace is prevailing. Abantu are recovering from gundi, from COVID. People are in bad shape. Because why should one start campaigning now?
Imagine.
Yes. Museveni has not.
But
Any serious politician cannot provoke Museveni into battle. Because Museveni has 5 years.
Yes.
He's stable. The military is stable. The population is stable. We have gone to normalcy.
Eliminate you.
He
has a lot of time to
yes, and he's very strong.
I see.
Tell politician and in absence of a general election, where will the Besigye get campaigning money?
Maybe they have sensed his weakness.
Anti kubulira nidda tikiriwo nembabaza okujja kwe byonnambi manyi. I know it. Nti bo balowooza nti Museveni nti olwokuba mu family ya Museveni mulimu bickering. Ono gwe mugambe yakwata sente zange abadde mutadde abusaresi abamukuuma si balala kati. You joke with Museveni. Nabagambe nti Sheikh Museveni. Let us use, I always use similes. If you see Sheikh Museveni sharpening his knife, when the following day is Yidi Aduha, where they slaughter animals, and he locks up even the kapas, and you say, come on, destroying property at home, come on, ne bakatandalo, ebe ina magezi. Kisolo kye kyangu okusala ku Yidi. Oba kapa zisibidde mu kibokisi basegirinya kapa azisibidde mu box parliament ne yepanka ne bijirema kati bakyalina ku page 3 ensi yabeerabira kapa kakati Besigye ngamira etomera katandalo mbwegenda kwasa bintu kuyidi omusajja awagala ekiso agamba tewali kubawa bail kikutegeeza Museveni has accurate information in the activities of those groups.
I see.
Ekitegeeza okwata bano bayagala kuba provoking but Museveni is lucky ebijambi byaweddewo to an ordinary person if you are innocent or not what the people wanted was to sleep.
I see.
Have you seen ebijambi again? So every popular video no every video awagendi bamuse ompalisi kubanga basijute learn how to use your salaries.
I see.
Learn how to invest. If these policemen and security organizations, what about soldiers?
Kale okujja kwa Besigye bagala sente.
Era ekigendo bawemula Besigye kutandika kutambula.
Yenga Besigye
and Besigye does not have any claim. Mu mateeka bakitalo kasistan. What does Besigye claim? He did not stand in the last presidential elections. Nti bamubbi.
Is not a
where Chichi yali zagamba tinzize amuli yati batubba katukuboyo Sheikh Museveni awagala kisoki is sharpening his knife but stubborning ngamira Besigye the usual stubborning ngamira atomera butandalo ajja kutoma no gondi omusajja oyo ono lukyamuzi oyina ekibiina kya CP Conservative Party Mayanja Nkanji ekikulekera akali mu mpale yone kakulema okuta ali mu lutikya atasitanse edenkira atasitanse edakaya ebyani ekyabirimu atasitanse ebyani ekyabirimu oye akadiwa
ali mu lutikya bebayingidde front
ekyo ekibiina kyabakiyita
onabawulira
mitagalo confused
the front
mitagalo
waliyo olukwago waliyo Uganda olukwago waliyo deputy
ante olukwago balowooza mbajja kweyambisa obwameeya bwe what Museveni is going to do is to lock them inside to lock the fools inside and people enjoy. I see. Museveni will lock the fools inside because we are not going for by-election. Even if we have a by-election and Mukaku ne Mabiche si ye Mabiche kakati Mabiche yebe bali mu DP block babweni beyamma kati babalowooza ate bakoze ensobi ono si yali kikulembedde. Bobi Wine has no cause of going to violence. Did Besigye accompany him when he was going to court?
No.
Did Besigye sympathize with him when he was being subjected to tear gas? We know the record. We know the record. We know Besigye's relationship with the security. When Haji Nasser Sebagala defied the police orders and the government orders not to address an Erofurulal in Imbalala, his car was directed to live bullets.
I see.
When during the campaign, Bobi Wine was subjected to harsh harassment.
Yes.
He survived the bullet in Kayunga. You tell me he was even taken Mukayumba Kembwa. Hey, humiliating him. Tell me when did Besigye suffer this embarrassment? So we know. Whenever Besigye is arrested, he is a suffered disease. Omwana oyo bwana mwana wa what people don't know. That bwana you are talking about mwana wa Victor bwana yali ala DC yafira mu Kabenje ngalaga Mbalala. Victor bwana abaana Besigye yabasikira. Besigye was looking for an excuse to undermine and spoil Museveni's meeting in Nairobi. Museveni had been invited to address a meeting for executives in Nairobi. What Besigye did to spoil this meeting, Besigye went to Nairobi claiming that he was a blind man. In fact, when Museveni started addressing the meeting, an agent fool stood up. Mr. President, do you think you have the moral authority to address this August House meeting when one of your leading opposition leaders is in Nairobi? Fuluma toka ikisajja bali kifulumya nga bakipanzimu. Museveni nabaga nti if you want to listen, allow him to listen. Nebakigobanga bakiripye babesi bawafula bazi bakitaddemu. Omulala n'abuuza, will you spare time to see Besigye in Nairobi? Museveni said we have good hospitals in Uganda. If he decided to come to Nairobi, that was his problem. Did Besigye, after Museveni addressing a successful meeting in Nairobi, did you see Besigye going to Nairobi for medical check-up?
I don't remember.
Tikiriyo. Kati Besigye buli omwata ambule n'enkoni ku mudaala gwe. Kuba abasecurity be baleese Besigye mboke kululi yawona. Buli omu kati enkoni bazitundawa. Enkoni bazitunda wali enkoni weziri wali ewa Professor Nsibambyao. Akatawuni akali awo we batunda enkoni. Enkoni lole yenkoni kasita Besigye yayogedde okuddamu okutabula ekibuga. Lole yenkoni yalinnye okuva ku mitwalo 7 eri kugumu kitundu. Besigye yetikimudiba abantu balina okugenda ku midaala n'enkoni kubanga aba security be bamuleese to disturb peace batunde gundi. Waliwo ekye tuyitawo dividend. Where did you put the money you got during all of the campaign? The billions. Omanya abasajja abo aba security abo bali mu consumables, taking women abroad, buying impenkoni. A man like me have survived 8 years without government facilities. Omukulu oyo bwe yagoba Nakyobe nagoba ne Kadaga mbe 1% n'amafuta bagajjawo mu State House. I don't get fuel. I buy my own fuel. How have I survived for 8 years? Nga buli wamu wonna n'abagaga ngende mwegayire siri kwegayirirako. My friend, I will never kneel before you. I don't expect that I will ever talk to you. In fact, if I count 1,000 people who are very important in my life, it does not feature at all. Ezo sente ziyatutte namulebye yatu ali ne banne kulw'omukaaga abagamba mu mpo olwaleero ngenda zijjayo ku Monday nzibaleetire muzimuwe. Even if he does not give me that money, let me pretend that I'm the one holding it so that he comes to me. Gentlemen, I'll never come to you. Fortunately, they are now 2 lanes as he points out. My younger brother is driving in the other lane. I'm also driving in. He has popularity in the army, but even me, I have popularity in the army. We have already discussed with the principal, okay, if the principal believes that this is his country, but Museveni told you, Uganda, I cannot market myself, my son. Yes. So even if there are two people, I will support the other one.
I see.
Even if he is disqualified, as you say, that he is not a Ugandan, he was born in Tanzania, cannot be a president, I will support anybody
Else.
Even a goat, even a mpunu, even a jerrycan, I will support that one. Tolaba yaba gwe kankubuuza.
Okukubira lwaboga akalulu.
Tolaba yaba sajja abajja. Ne bawandiika kwa kubanda talina kwayagalako. N'ateekako ekigambo ky'obuwemu n'agenda. Me I will vote your goat. I will vote you cannot suffocate me. Yangoba mu State House nti navumye nazaalawe. I sat with the president, we made an apology, president n'agitwala. Nga sina kyejogedde. Nti because General, she asked me, how come that the first lady has retired before the president? Where I said, this one was called by God, and I explained, Ngaroza, Nanyiga, Nakola, Nadire for Chang, Nacho Mukwano, Katia Mudusaw, Nakidisana Bukazai, need to worry, the worry one. We cannot reconcile. Even God cannot reconcile us.
Serious?
Even if my father resurrects and he tells me, that my son reconciled with Rwabwogo, I cannot. Even if I'm captured and my killers say, you talk to Rwabwogo, I rather die. Even if I go to heaven and God says, if you reconcile with Rwabwogo, I can give you additional 20 years. I say, I will not go back to us. Abantu bano kabayige. Nti bwe bajoganga omuntu ne bamala okujoga ne bakuniya ne bakuba jabu ey'okubiri ne bakongera ne bakuniya kamazi amalala ti ye ya deciding. Now I need him, he must come to me. What I've lost will never be recovered. What my family has suffered, you target my wife twice, you batter my son, you poison me 5 times, you suffocate me, you even deny me fuel. You influence the removal of Kadaga and on record, and I replay those tapes. You say, Rich Mirundi, you grab my man during the campaign, you do what? Do you want me to clean your anus?
I see.
Do you want me to come and start cleaning? Why do you suffocate? Every day I curse him. Whenever I go to my village, I go to the mountain and I curse him. Allah limunsa sulira. Amwenya abonyeze emyaka 8 nze musabira kubeerawo alabeko ku government etali ya sezaalawe.
Wetu kyono bwetambudde olwaleero ne mutabani wa Mole n'amatovu Mirundi Joseph.
Oba sente zazibawo oba tazibawa sezaalawe yamanyi naye nze sirikolaganako naye mu nsi amwenya abonyeze emyaka 8. Family yange yonna if I was not had mbonje kuddayo. I'm playing seek and hide with my village girl. He will come to me. She learn it from today. I will never work with you. I never talk to you. Yes.
And they don't.
Toyiza kunjoga ne chuddingana. Nkomyo ndaba baniyeko second job. Eyo ya COVID. Eyo ya sempi ja virus. Jovani yako na komaone bamuniyako second job.